Interested in cross stitch? Please sign up today for our brand new hot air balloon themed cross stitch along project for June 2023 called Positivity Lifts. We'll be cross stitching some uplifting, positive messages in this hot air balloon themed cross stitch project. It's fantastic for beginners and we have full support available 24/7, both across social media, email and also in our Facebook group. Our full kits come with absolutely everything you're going to need, all of the great quality supplies that you would expect and that are going to make your stitching experience really enjoyable. All of our eco-friendly, plastic-free kits also come with full illustrated instructions, so we'll hold your hand step by step as you cross-stitch this beautiful project. We ship our cross-stitch kits and needle minders worldwide, so no matter where you are in the world, we'll get your stitchy goodies to you in time. Choose from full kits or PDF patterns only, which are available in colour and black and white, and digital so you can instantly download them. They're emailed to you once a month for 5 months starting in June. Our award-winning 5-star reviewed needle minders will also keep your needle super safe during any breaks in your stitching, and for this project I've designed a sun and cloud which complements the design perfectly. Also available on our Pick and Mix discounted bundle of 3. A Stitch Along is a really exciting, supportive, collaborative project where thousands of friendly cross-stitchers unite and stitch one part of an overall pattern every single month. We reveal some sneak peeks, but the overall design is a mystery. So there's a real sense of excitement and anticipation as you receive your pattern piece each month and share your progress in the Facebook group, where you can also get full support, tips, tricks and inspiration on finishing ideas. Pre-order opens on Friday the 28th of April, so get in there quickly and secure your spot. This project is a fantastic way to get into cross-stitch if you're a complete beginner or it's your first time doing a stitch along. There's so much friendly encouragement and support available from us and our lovely community, and you'll feel a real sense of motivation as you stitch each part in a manageable pattern section. It's also great for mental health, relaxation, having some mindfulness me time just to calm down and carve out some time for yourself of an evening or weekend. We're also releasing our brand new complete cross-stitch planner and project bags, so why not add these on too and have the ultimate cross-stitch bundle. I'm really excited about this project and I hope that you're going to be making new friends, starting a new hobby and just really enjoying getting creative with us. You can join in with this cross-stitch project no matter where you are in the world. We send out the kits to over 30 countries. I also offer a full 100% satisfaction and money-back guarantee because I'm that sure that you are going to love your items from us. We'd love to have you join us for this Positivity Lifts project, so please do head over to our website caterpillarcrossstitch.com or tap down below to sign up today.